Member of the National Commission for Women Delina Khongdup raised concerns over the exclusion of women from participating in the Durbar in Meghalaya. She highlighted that while Khasi customs traditionally bar women from these assemblies, historical cases showed women have led these participation in Durbar meetings. Khongdup emphasized the Commission's role in changing societal attitudes and educating men on the importance of women's involvement in the Durbar proceedings.
This, from the beginning only, they are not allowed the women to participate in that. But what recently in we
traditional
will
institutions?
In a traditional institution, in the villages, in the Durbar, women are not allowed to participate there. But before, if we go back to the history, there are some women who have represented themselves in the Durbar. But this is the recent issue, and we need to look after it. We need to study, and we need to change the mindset of men.